As the diplomatic standoff between India and Italy over the killing of two Indian fishermen by Italian Navy guards intensifies, the Italian Deputy Foreign Minister is set to meet his Indian counterpart today. India, however, maintaining its tough stance, saying Indian laws will prevail.
The arrest of these two Italian Marines turning into a diplomatic standoff between Italy and India. Now Italy has dispatched one of its most experienced diplomats to New Delhi. Italy's Deputy Foreign Minister Staffan Mistura will today meet his Indian counterpart Praneeth Kaur.
First, of course, there is the outrage at the killing of the innocent two fishermen. And secondly, that so far as we are concerned, it's the law of our land that should take precedence. However, we will discuss with them and see and make sure that proper justice is done.
And justice is what protesters in Kollam want. They say unless that happens, this Italian ship, Enrica Lexi, anchored off Kochi, must not be allowed to leave.
Well, all eyes will be on the Cochin High Court today, because the High Court is expected to take up two petitions.
Among the two petitions, the wife of one of the fishermen killed in the firing by Italian naval guards has sought a compensation of 1 crore. On the other side, the Italians will be pleading in court to quash the FIR against their naval guards.
On the investigation front, the Kerala police is now armed with a search warrant issued by the Kollam CJM, asking them to go ahead to the ship and seize the weapons apparently used by the accused for the shooting down of the Indian fishermen. In Kochi, with camera person Roger Rafael, Pradeep Pillai, Times Now.